how to fix Android Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not showing. So if you want to fix your Android's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not showing, then first you need to open up your settings on your device. Once you open, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, tap on see all apps. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots. Tap on show system apps. Go with search. Now you just need to simply search for Bluetooth. Tap on it. Once you have Bluetooth, now you just need to simply make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions and go back, go with storage and cache and clear the cache and also clear the storage. Once you've cleared it, now you need to go back and go with search, which is on the upper right, and you need to search for reset network settings and you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. Tap on it again. Tap on reset, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on reset settings, then it will reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And after that, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.